Eric with Wolfman here to show you how to set up the Wolfman Rolie Bag WPs so you can mount them to a rear rack or the center section of an E or B base. The three sizes of Rolie bags will be set up the exact same way. Mounting straps and elastic keepers are included with all the Rolie bags. The tools needed are either a long screwdriver, a chopstick, a stick, or the like. You will thread the webbing through the slots right under the buckles, as shown. Place a screwdriver on the webbing strap, fold over, and insert it through the slot, in the slot. Gently push through to the other side, no force needed, and we'll repeat it again. Gently push through, and now we will center the webbing. So we put the ends together, pull up a little left and a right, just to take any kinks out, and then you can eyeball where the center is. Pull up, left, right, eyeball, and center. Now that the straps are on, the Rolie bag is ready to mount to a rear rack or the center section of an E or B base.